Hey guys, welcome back. I have another simple but delicious recipe for you guys to try. It is spinach pasta with sweet and tangy chicken. This recipe is not only healthy, but it is so good. The pasta is so creamy, so delicious, and the chicken just complements it so well. So remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So let's go. So the first thing we're gonna do is create the marinade for our chicken. You're gonna need lemon juice, a little bit of olive oil, honey, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, dried oregano, celery salt, soy sauce, dried parsley, and a little bit of salt. And we're going to give that a good mix. Now, this marinade is going to be packed with a flavor. Next, we're going to put our chicken into that marinade, and I will leave the measurements in the description box for you. I'm using boneless thighs with the skin on, but you can opt to use chicken breast if you want. Totally up to you. And now we are going to get that fully incorporated and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Next, we are going to work on our spinach. So to a pot with water, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. And next, we're just going to add a handful of spinach and we're going to blanch this for about 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to remove and just rinse it off with cold water to stop the cooking process. Now, in that same pot, we're going to cook about 220 grams of pasta, and we're going to cook it about 2 minutes less than the instructions on the package. And we are going to remove some of the pasta water. So now to create our puree, we're going to need some black pepper, garlic powder. You're going to put some dried parsley and a little bit of salt. And we're going to use a half cup of cream. And we're just going to blend this until it is smooth. Now for our chicken, we're going to air fry it. So we're just adding some oil, and we're gonna put the skin side down. And you're gonna put this in the air fryer at 170 for about 25 minutes, and we're gonna flip halfway. So now we're gonna move on to creating that base for our spinach. I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil and some diced onion. We're gonna add butter as well as garlic. So you're just gonna continue to saute to release the flavors until the onion is nice and soft and you get the aroma from the garlic. Next, we're gonna just add that puree mixture to the pan and just continue to mix until everything is nicely combined. And look at that bright, beautiful green color. Now we're gonna add about a cup of mozzarella to this, and it's just gonna help create that nice creamy texture for our spinach sauce, and the color and everything is just so amazing. Next, we are going to add our noodles or spaghetti, and you want to just add it a little bit at a time because you want a good ratio between the sauce and your spaghetti. And if it gets too thick, that's where we're going to add the cup of pasta water that we saved earlier. And that is it. You just continue to toss gently and then just serve it up nice and hot with your sweet tangy chicken from the air fryer. Simple, quick, delicious. Now let me tell you, the pasta was creamy. It was flavorful. The chicken just had that nice balance from the marinade. You are going to want to try this recipe. So give this video a thumbs up and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.